Hi guys, Kim Wetzel with Digital Trends. I'm here at the Amazon event and we're taking a look at the brand new Echo show. There's a lot of stuff that's different about this show versus the old model. The first thing is there's the very clear 10-inch high-def display over the old 7-inch display. You'll see that the back is slightly different as well. This one is in white. You can also get it in charcoal. There's lots of interesting features that they've added. I mean, you can still scroll down from the top and go to the home section, or go to the home screen, of course, but then you can also play music. And the music quality from this device is much stronger. Alexa, play Coldplay.
Shuffling songs by Coldplay on Amazon Music.
So you can hear that there's stronger bass with this particular device over the old show. You can also do lots of other stuff with this device. Everything that Alexa does, this Echo Show device does as well. Alexa, pause. And I just want to point out on the top that there's the volume up-down buttons, and then this turns the mic off in case you don't want Alexa to hear what you have to say. So this is $230. You can buy it on pre-order today and it'll start shipping next month.